Aloha. Back when I did the blind corner shelf video, it left me with the second shelf, basically a huge piece of MDF with white contact paper on it. I really didn't know what to do with it. I was gonna throw it away, but then I cut 4 handholds in it so I could move it around, and found this black walnut vinyl self-stick contact paper, so I did both sides. I still didn't really know what to do with it until I saw this blank spot on my garage wall. So I thought I would make a garage wall folding workbench, and so that's what I did. I had a scrap 40-inch long piece of 2x4. I went down to Lowe's, got 4-inch L brackets, attached the 2x4 to the wall, then attached the brackets, then attached the shelf. The legs are from a canopy that rested out in the backyard. I just saved the hardware and used the legs. They work fine. The 2 yellow strips of tape are for me to park my Corvette. And then I have this ruler tape that I put on. But it basically folds flat against the wall, and made use of that scrap MDF. Aloha and stay safe.